Hello, Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to my new tutorial of our TIA portal HMI. So in this video we are going to design screens for and screen shifting buttons for our TIA portal HMI. So let's see what I am doing. You will see I have a previous screen there. Now I need another screen and I am going to name that screen as, I think trend is better. And I also change my root screen name to main. Now I need a button. So I am going to basic objects element, selecting a button, and I am going to name that button to main because I want to shift it to main. And I am going to copy that and paste it main. And I am going to change that name to trend. First of all, I am going to configure that and double click my screen, double click my buttons, go into events, select press, and I am going to drag like that. I am going to select screen. So you will see I am going to select a screen, activate screen. I am going to select a screen number, which is I going to select a main, an object number as 0. I am going to save that, going to main, and even select press. I am going to activate the screen, and I am going to select that to 10. I think my screen has been configured. I am now going to compile that, and I am going to basic element. I am going to name it main screen. I am going to select the text field, properties. I am going to select the text color. So I am going to select as a black, and I am going to select a text format. I think 21 is better. I am going to copy that, paste it to 10, go in apply, and paste it there, and I am going to name it trend screen. And I am going to save that, compile that. I think our screen has been now created. Now I am going to start my simulation to check that our screen is working or not. So I am going to do that like that. Select it 10, and you will see we shift to our trend screen. To select to main, back to main screen. Trend to 10 screen, main to main screen, trend to 10 screen, main to main screen. So that's how we shift our screens in our TIA portal HMI. So thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like my video, and click the bell icons and comments if you don't understand anything. And in the description I give the links of Windows-Soft SCADA, Ignition SCADA, TIA portals, others lectures as well, and my contact number or my LinkedIn contact, so you will contact me if you have any query. So thank you very much again.